Hello friends, I am going to start illustration 31 CMA Inter Cost Accounting first group का है. Okay, please read the questions. This is the questions of equivalent production unit. Okay, please read this question. Illustration number 31. What is the question? AB Limited engaged in a process engineering industry during the month of April 2015. These units were introduced in a process X. The normal loss estimated to be 5% of input at the end of the month. 1400 units have been produced and transferred to the Y. Look at it. In the case of 1400 unit in transfer and 2000 units were introduced. 2000 units were introduced. Okay, and 1400 units are transferred. 5% normal loss. Then normal loss will be what? Normal loss will be 5% of 2000, that equal to 100 normal loss. 100 normal loss and 1400 made. 1400 made. Look at it. 1400 made. That this is already 1500. This is already 1500. 460 were incomplete and 140 units after passing through the fully, the entire process had to be scrapped. Actually, look at here, 460 units incomplete. 460 unit incomplete. Then actually what is this? Is a 1960. Actually a scrap is a 140. Total scrapped is 140. Out of these, normal loss expecting that is 100, then that equal to 40 is a abnormal loss. 14 is a abnormal loss 40. Okay, the incomplete unit, this is a closing stock. This is your closing stock. The incomplete units had reached the following stage of completion: material 75%, labor 50%, overhead 50%. Following are the further expenditure is this: cost of 2000 unit is this, additional material is this, additional labor is this, additional overheads are this. Unit is scrap rupees 10 per unit. The scrap unit is sold at the rate of 10 per unit. Prepare the statement of equivalent production unit cost of a statement of cost, a statement of evaluation and process X. Okay, let's start the showing a statement showing equivalent production unit. A statement showing equivalent production unit. A statement. Okay, this is your input. Particular output. This is material, labor, overheads. In material, labor, overheads, there are two things: this, this, and this. What are the things you have? This is the percentage, this is unit. This is the percentage, this is unit. This is the percentage, this is your unit. Okay, here unit introduced, that is the 2000. Okay, 2000 units. Completed units, completed units. In the question, this is the 1400. Material is 100%, that equal to 1400. Labor is 100%. In the case of completed unit, 100% are taken, that is the 1400. In the case of 100, this equal to 1400. Okay, completed unit. Thereafter, abnormal loss. Normal loss 100, this is not considered here. Abnormal loss, that is the 40. Now what is the stages of the abnormal loss are given here? Abnormal loss stages are not given. If the abnormal loss stages are not given, then it is assumed that 100% activities are done. In the case of abnormal loss, 100% activities are done. In the question we have already calculated, this is your 100%. That's why this is the 40. Here also 100%. This is the 40. This is also 100%. This is also 40. Okay. Now closing stock, you have closing stock. Closing stock, that is the closing stock is here 460 is the closing stock, incomplete. 460 completion stage of 460 are 75%, 50%, 50%. Here this is 75%, 50%, 50%. This is 75%. This is your 50%. This is the 50%. Now 75% is 345. 345, 230, 230, 230. Look at here. This is your 2000. This is also 2000. This is a 500. This is also 2000. But this is a 1785. 1785. This is 1670. 1670. 1670. Okay, this is the statement showing equivalent production unit. Okay, now we have to calculate cost per unit of equivalent production unit. Calculation of cost per unit of equivalent production unit. Cost per unit of equivalent production unit. Please try to see here. Cost per unit of equivalent production unit. In this case, you write material. You write here labor. You write here overheads. What will be the cost here? Introduced unit. Introduced unit. Look at here. The cost is given here 2000. The cost of this 2000 is 58,000. This is 58,000. Additional material. Additional material is 14,400, 13,000 labor, and overhead 16,700. 14,400, 33,400, 16,700. Now, realized from normal loss. Normal loss 100. This is sold by the rupees 10. That is minus 100. In this case, What will be the cost in this case? 71,400. 71,400. This is 33,400. This is 16,700. This is assumed to be A. Okay. Equivalent units. Equivalent units. What are the equivalent units you have? Look at it. In the case of equivalent unit, 1785 1670. 1785 1670 1670. This is assumed to be B. Equivalent cost per unit of equivalent, that is A divided by B. 71,400 divided by 17,850. 33,400 divided by 16,1670. Okay. 16700 divided by 16700. This is the rupees 10. This is 220. This is the 40 per unit. Okay, this is the cost. Now you have to calculate value of abnormal loss, value of closing stock, value of transfer units. Okay, look at here. Calculation of value of abnormal loss. Abnormal loss. Look at it. In this case, this is the material, this is the labor, this is the overhead. This was 40 40 40. 40 units, 40 units, 40 unit into rupees 40 per unit, rupees 20 per unit, rupees 10 per unit. This implies that 40 into rupees 70, that is rupees 2800. Okay. Now calculation of value of closing stock. Value of closing stock. Material, labor, overheads. What was the stages of closing stock? Please try to see here. Closing stock. 345 in material, 230 in labor, 230 in overheads. 345, 345, 230, 230 into rupees 40, rupees 20, rupees 10. 13,800, 4,600, 2,300. Rupees 20,700. Now transfer unit value. Calculation of value of transfer unit. This also calculate material, labor, overheads. Material, this is the 1400, this is the 1400, this is the 1400 into rupees 40, rupees 20, rupees 10, 1400 rupees 70, rupees 98,000. Okay. Now you have to form the process accounts. Process account in this case. Look at it. This is your debit side. This is the credit side. Particular units. This is amount. Particulars units. This is amount. To material introduced. Raw material introduced 2000 and its cost is 58,000. Additional raw material 14,400. To labor 33,400. To overheads 16,700. By normal loss 100 at the rate of 10, 1,000. By abnormal loss, this is already given. The cost of abnormal loss 40, that is 2,800. We have already calculated here. This is the value of abnormal loss. Similarly, the value of closing stock is this, and value of transfer unit is this. Okay. By closing stock, closing stock 460, its cost is 20,700. By transfer to next process, by transfer to next process, that is the 1400 and its cost is 98,000. This is the 2000, this is also 2000 and its cost is 1,22,500, 1,22,500. So in this way this question has been completed. This was the very easy questions, and next illustration I will do in next class. Okay, thank you class.